Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine at your home. As you know, we started our chapter, term 1 chapter 6, Political Divisions of India. In that chapter, we already completed reading, explanation and textbook exercises and fair notebook exercises, means question answers. I hope you all completed, and some part of our worksheet also we completed. Today we are going to do day 3, question number 3. Day 3, question number 3 is answer the following questions. Okay. Before doing that, we will take a quick review of this chapter. Political map shows us the states and borders of our India, our states. So, we have 28 states and 8 union territories. All states together make a country, and districts and villages make together a state. So, today we are going to start our chapter with the question number 3. Answer the following questions. First question is, why India is divided into states and union territories? So, our answer is today's topic is worksheet. Our answer is India has been divided into into states, S-T-A-T-E-S, states, and U-N-I-O and union, T-E-R-R-I-T-O-R-I-E-S, union territories, to maintain law, 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 and order, ORD, order, provide citizens means देश के जन जो होते, प्रजा जो होते, उनको citizens, their, THEIR, their necessities, and overall development. Okay, so students, why India is divided into states and union territories? India has been divided into states and union territories to maintain law and order, provide citizens their necessities to overall development. Okay. Next question is, write the name of 7 union territories. Okay. So, I am going to write here. First one, Chandigarh, and second, Delhi, third, Daman, Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Nagar Haveli. Okay. Fourth one is Lakshadweep. And fifth one is Puducherry. Puducherry. Sixth one is Andaman and Nicobar. Puducherry. 7. 6 is Puducherry. 7 is Andaman and Nicobar. Nicobar. And 8 is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. And Ladakh. 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 It's pronounced as a Ladakh. Okay. So Chandigarh, Delhi, Diu Daman and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Nagar Haveli and Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep. Okay, children, these are our union territories. Okay, it is already given in your textbook map also. Okay, next question is day 4. Fill in the blanks. Serial number is number 1 to 3. Name of the state, language and capital. आपको क्या फिल करना है? उस स्टेट का नाम बताया गया है. यू हैव टू फिल लैंग्वेज ऑफ दैट स्टेट एंड कैपिटल ऑफ दैट स्टेट्स. कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ दैट स्टेट्स. नाउ डे 4 here. Then question number 1. First I am going to write here language. LANGUAZE language. Then capital. Okay, so here first one is Gujarat. Language is Gujarati and capital is Gandhinagar. Okay, next second one is Rajasthan. Rajasthani. Languages are Rajasthani, Hindi, Mewari. Mewari. Okay. Then next one, there is capital city of Rajasthan is Jaipur. 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 Okay. Then next third one is Odisha. Their language is Odia. Sorry. Bhubaneswar. Capital city is Bhubaneswar. West Bengal, Bangla. West Bengal. Language is sorry, West Bengal. I have to write only language here. Bangla, BANGLA, Bangla. Kolkata, capital city is Kolkata. Earlier it's called as a Calcutta, but now it's calling as a Kolkata. Now fifth one is Jammu and Kashmir, Kashmir. Their languages are Kashmiri, Urdu, and Dogri language. And now it's a union territory. Jammu and Kashmir is union territory, so you have to make correction here. Srinagar and Jammu. Now sixth one is Uttarakhand, Hindi and Komoni. Languages are Hindi, and Komoni. Dehradun, its capital city is Dehradun. Now seventh one is Jharkhand, Hindi and Santhali. Its capital is Ranchi. And eighth one is Meghalaya, Khasi, Garo and English. Khasi, Garo and English. Meghalaya's capital city is Aizawl. IZWAL, Aizawl. 9 and 10, Mizoram, Mizo and English. Okay, 8, Khasi, Garo, English. Its capital is Shillong. Dear children, Meghalaya's capital is Shillong, Mizoram's capital is Aizawl, and Mizoram's languages are Mizo and English. Sikkim, Bhutan, Nepal and Lepcha, Gangtok. Okay, its capital city is Gangtok. I hope you all will do this one very properly in your worksheet. Okay, I am going to send this one in your PDF. You have to do from there, otherwise you have to do now only. Okay, take your time. Now day 5, I am going to do day 5. Day 5, page number 7. Page number 7. Day 5, page number 7. Question bank. Day 5 is there, that is question bank. First question is, what is a political map? A map which shows district, states or union territories is called a political map. A map which shows district, states or union territories is called a political map. Next question is, name 5 neighboring countries of India. China, Nepal, Bhutan, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Can I show you once again? Do you remember we are using map grade? So here today also I am going to show you map once again. Oh no, here, okay. I will remove and I will show you afterwards. See here, our neighboring countries: Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just we have to write 5 countries name. Okay. China, China, China. Nepal, Nepal, Nepal. Then Bhutan, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Okay, this is our second answer. Third one, name 4 states that share their border with the Pakistan. Jammu and Kashmir, now it's a Union Territory. Students, Jammu and Kashmir, Rajasthan, Punjab, and Gujarat. Okay, this is our third answer. See actually. In map I am going to show you. See here. It is Pakistan and neighboring states India के Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's a Union Territory, Lake, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Okay. First it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 states are sharing their border with the Pakistan. Okay children. Now come to the next question. Next question is, which is the most populous state of India? Sorry, what is the capital of Madhya Pradesh? Fourth one, Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh. Okay, now fifth one, which is the most populous state of India? Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Uttar Pradesh. Populous means ज्यादातर जनसंख्या वाला राज्य कौन सा है? Is the Uttar Pradesh is the most populous, populous state of India. Okay, students, I am going to show you map here. और पढ़ना चाहिए जो गोवा जो है वो स्मॉलेस्ट स्टेट है, उत्तर प्रदेश पॉपुलर स्टेट, राजस्थान इज लार्जेस्ट स्टेट एंड गोवा इज अ स्मॉलेस्ट स्टेट एंड मध्य प्रदेश, झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़, ये जो राज्य है, तेलंगाना, के तीनों राज्य कोई भी कंट्री से अपना बॉर्डर शेयर नहीं करता है और कोई भी वाटर बॉडीज मीन्स सीज, कोई भी सीज के साथ वो अपना बॉर्डर को शेयर नहीं करते हैं। मध्य प्रदेश, झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़ एंड तेलंगाना, ये जो 4 स्टेट्स है कोई भी अदर कंट्री के साथ अपने बॉर्डर को शेयर नहीं करते और कोई भी वाटर बॉडी, बे ऑफ बंगाल, इंडियन ओशियन और अरेबियन सी, इन जो मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, तेलंगाना एंड झारखंड में नहीं आता है। ओके, now we are going to do page number 8. Okay, open page number 8 in your worksheet, students. There you have to write from your textbook only. Question, long question answers. Day 6 is there. Name 28 states of India. You have to write 28 states of India. I am going to send you PDF of that and name the capital of every states. सभी स्टेट्स के कैपिटल आपको नीचे रखना है और हाउ मेनी यूनियन टेरिटरीज आर देयर and write their name. We already written on board, you copy that one. So 8 union territories are there. What are the main languages of Himachal Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh? I am going to write this question answer on board. Okay, day 5, question 4. Day 5, question 4. What are the main languages of Himachal Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh? Okay. So, Himachal Pradesh, first one is Himachal Pradesh. Their language is पहाड़ी, ये इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन PHARI है, तो भी इसको हम पहाड़ी एंड हिंदी, पहाड़ी एंड हिंदी। नंबर 1, नंबर 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का बिहार, संथाली, हिंदी, लैंग्वेजेस आर हिंदी, उर्दू, मैथिली, एंड भोजपुरी। ओके, मैथिली एंड भोजपुरी। नेक्स्ट वन इज ओडिशा, Odia. Their language is Odia. 4th one, Andhra Pradesh, Telugu and Urdu. Andhra Pradesh, Telugu and Urdu. Okay. Telugu and Urdu. Okay. So this is our page number 8. And why did India divided into states and union territories? Already I written that on your board, so you have to copy from there. India has been divided into states and union territories to maintain law and order, provide citizens their necessities and overall development. Okay students, now it is completion of our chapter 6 worksheet. If anything is remaining, please call me. I am going to send you PDF of this chapter. And tomorrow onwards, we are going to do chapter 7, the food we eat. First of all, I want to everyone complete your chapter 6, hard words and map work whatever I given to you. And worksheet work you have to do completely in your fair notebook, worksheet and textbook. ये तीनों में आपका गुड हैंड राइटिंग के साथ होना चाहिए. आई होप यू ऑल विल डू इट वेरी प्रॉपरली. ओके, स्टे सेफ. थैंक यू.